In this video, I want to mention order of your code. It is important. I record a macro 2, it is fine, okay. And select my text, doesn't matter. Go to home and make it bold. Or as I mentioned before, you could go font settings, make it bold and okay. Alright, I go into developer, stop recording, go to the Visual Basic and go inside of new macros. Actually, I don't need them all. Only I want to choose how can I apply bold. If you remember, selection font dot bold. Allow me to move it here. Alright. I just cut this section. Right click cut. We don't need these. Alright, doesn't matter. And go inside of your form, run, and because I didn't select any text, if I apply this code here, first this line gonna run, then it's applying the bold. So note that first time it's gonna be not bold, then will be applied true, and for the next time will apply it. If I go back to the word and remove this and make sure it is not bold. If I run my macro, developer, macro, and run macro, let's type some values. Alexa, Albert. If I run, my text is applying, and next time gonna be bold. So the order, it is important. You have two choices. You could select then apply the bold, or much easier way is first set the bold, then start creating your text. Allow me to close that. I remove this text. Make sure it is not bold. To your code working correctly, I'm pressing Alt or Option F11 to go inside of VBA. Go to your command and just move it before the selection. So first, now I set the bold, it is true, and then start creating my code. Now if I run, Alexa Alvarez. Now if I start run, as you see, it is bold by default. So your code order, it is very important. Note that always you have to choose correctly when you want to apply the settings.